do I teach rhyming and sound awareness? Rhyming and sound awareness grow best through play, not formal teaching. Young children learn to hear sounds when language feels fun and light. Songs, poems, clapping games, and silly wordplay naturally draw attention to how words sound. For example, you can play a simple game like cat, bat, hat. What sounds the same? Or make up funny nonsense words and laugh together. These playful moments train the brain to hear patterns in language without pressure. Children start noticing sounds on their own. What's important to remember is that sound awareness comes before spelling and reading. A child must hear first and enjoy sounds before they can connect them to letters. So keep it playful, short, and joyful. When children enjoy sound play, reading and spelling become much easier later.